Hi friends, welcome to a brand new segment of Invest Talks, Friday Basics, which will give you good insight about Indian equity market. My sincere effort in this segment is to create awareness to all in simple language. This series will be arranged in such a way so as to understand everyone who are beginners. Please share this video to all those who wish to learn, understand and participate in stock market. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get the notifications of upcoming knowledge-packed videos on personal finance and stock market. Welcome back to Finvest Talks, where we make everyone understand the basics of money management. Before going into this video, make sure you watch earlier videos of this series, which is mentioned in the I button. Hi friends, welcome back to Finvest Talks, investment for a better tomorrow. In this video, we will see who is a broker, why we require a broker, what are the different types of brokers available and which one is good for our investment. In the end, I will tell you which all DMAT I hold and my suggestion which will definitely benefit you. Let's begin. Till now, we got some fair idea about what is a stock market, how it works and what is the basic principle by which stock market operates, how the price of stock moves, what is BSE, what is NSE and how Sensex and Nifty relates to BSE and NSE. For those who didn't watch the earlier videos which explain all these, please pause this video and kindly watch the earlier video and join back the same for getting more clarity. Now it's time to start some serious thinking about investments. For investment, the first thing you need other than money is an account to invest, that is the DMAT account. The DMAT is the fundamental thing which is required to start a solid wealth creation. So choosing the right broker is one of the important thing. I will definitely help you to find out the best broker for your investment based on your requirement. Brokers will provide DMAT for investing. More about DMAT account, trading account and its importance, please watch my last video which explain all these and provided link above. So let's start. Firstly, why we need a stockbroker. Stocks are traded through stock exchanges and an investor cannot buy or sell directly from stock exchanges. To buy or sell a stock through exchanges, you need an intermediary who will help you in this transaction. This middleman can be a person or a company who is authorized to buy and sell stocks on your behalf with some fee or commission. Such a person or a company is known as a stockbroker. So what are the different types of brokers available? There are basically two types of brokers, full service brokers and discount brokers. Full service brokers are traditional brokers who provide a trading facility along with advisory services, whereas discount brokers are brokers who provide a trading facility for minimum or no brokerages without any advisory services. Normally one thinks the stock holding with brokers are not safe as we don't know when the broker will shut down their operation, but it's not like that. You need not to worry about your shares even if the broker shut down their operations. Let us first understand the DMAT structure in India. There are two principal depositories in India, NSDL and CDSL, both promoted and owned by government-backed institutions. NSDL is National Securities Depository Limited, whereas CDSL is Central Depository Securities Limited. The DMAT with your broker is linked to either NSDL or CSDL through DPID. And all are regulated by SEBI. The shares ultimately resides in these central depositories. The DPs are only what brokers maintain. Even if your DP shut down, your shareholdings are safe with NSDL or CDSL. All you need to do is open a new account and transfer to new DP. It is as simple as that. Now let's see these brokers in detail. We will start with full service broking. A full service broking, also called traditional broker, is a licensed broker that provides a range of services to its customers. These services includes research advisory, investment services, wealth management, portfolio management service, etc. For these reasons, the fee charged by the full service brokers are very high and the brokerage they charge is based on the total amount of trades executed by the customers. Full service brokers are established players who have branches located all over the country and customers can visit these branches for services and advices. Some banks provide all these facilities along with 3-in-1 account. That is along with savings account called bank-based stockbrokers. Now let's see the advantage and disadvantages of full service brokers. The main advantage of full-time brokers are they have both online as well as offline services. They have full-fledged research advisory as well as investment services. They have multiple branch locations across pan-India and they have a good relationship manager allotted to all the client. Whereas the disadvantages are they have very high brokerage. Their transaction cost is very high and the brokerage is based on volume. Some of the examples for full service brokers are ICICI Direct, HDFC Securities, Kotak Securities, Sharekhan, Motilal Oswal, Angel Broking, etc. Now let's see what is a discount broker. A discount broker is a stockbroker who carries out buy and sell orders with little or no brokerage. Discount brokers do not provide the investment advice or guidance as provided by full service brokers. These brokers provide an online trading platform for their customers. That's why they are also called online discount brokers. Now let's see some of the advantages and disadvantages of discount brokers. The main advantage of discount brokers are they have zero brokerage or very low brokerage. Their brokerages are fixed that doesn't depend on any volume. They have very low transaction cost and the trading platform they use are very smooth and it's user friendly. The main disadvantages are they don't have any advisory and there is no branches available and relationship managers are not there. Some of the examples for discount brokers are Zerodha, Upstocks, 5paisa.com, Grow, Alice Blue, Paytm Money, etc. Let's see some of the top brokers in our country. We will start with full service brokers. The top spot is with ICICI Direct having 15.8 lakh active clients, followed by Angel Broking with 15.6 lakh active clients. The third position is with HDFC Securities, followed by Kotak Securities and Sharekhan. In case of discount brokers, the top spot is by Zerodha with 36 lakh active clients, followed by Upstocks having 21 lakh active clients. The third position is with 5paisa.com and followed by Grow, Alice Blue, etc. Based on total number of active clients, Zerodha is the biggest stockbroker in our country with 19% market share, followed by Upstocks with 11% market share. Then comes Angel Broking, followed by ICICI Securities, HDFC Securities, etc. The total number of active clients of all stockbrokers is around 1.79 crores as on February 2021 mentioned on NSE website. The next important point is how to choose a stockbroker. Some of the points we need to consider before choosing a stockbrokers are: first one is the brokerage, whether they are charging very high brokerage or reasonable brokerage. Then comes whether it's a discount broker or a full service broker. The third point is stock research. Then comes customer service, whether they are providing good customer service or not. And the last one is portfolio reports, whether they are periodically sending portfolio holdings or not. Now let's see the demat charges of top brokers in their respective segment. Here we will compare ICICI Direct with Zerodha. To start an account, the first thing you need is account opening charge. For Zerodha, it is 200 rupees, whereas for ICICI Direct, it is 975 rupees. Sometimes you can get it for free also. The next charge you need to pay is AMC, annual maintenance charges. AMC for demat accounts are the fees that you pay to the broker for maintaining your demat account. These AMC charges have to be paid whether you use the account or not. A demat account is like a savings account where the broker charges a minimal amount for maintaining your demat account. The demat AMC charges for Zerodha is around 300 rupees per annum, whereas ICICI Direct will charge around 700 rupees plus GST per annum. Next comes the brokerage. For equity delivery trading, Zerodha will not charge anything. That means the brokerage is zero, whereas ICICI Direct will charge 0.55%. That means for buying a stock of say 100 rupees, ICICI Direct will charge a brokerage of 55 paise. Next is the brokerage for intraday and FNO. Zerodha will charge a maximum of 20 rupees per order for intraday as well as futures and options, whereas ICICI Direct will charge in the range of 0.03 to 0.05% for intraday as well as futures. For options, they will charge around 35 rupees to 95 rupees per lot. To summarize, discount brokers are the cheapest one with very less brokerage and low AMC charges. Whereas if you are expecting stock investment advisory, you should go with full-time brokers. My personal opinion for beginners is to start with discount brokers as the charges are very less and with zero brokerage, you can start your investment. Personally, I hold Zerodha, Upstocks and ICICI Direct. My preference is to go with discount brokers such as Zerodha or Upstocks. My personal choice is Zerodha. If you wish to open the demat account, kindly go to the link provided in the description. If you need any help for opening the account for free, kindly message me in my WhatsApp number provided in the description. I will definitely help you in opening your account. Please do like if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to get the notifications of upcoming videos on personal finance and stock market. Please post your valuable comments. Do follow the Friday Basics to make your stock market journey easy. Thanks for watching and have a good day.